Happy 50th birthday, Tita Alice! We love you! God bless you!
Hi Alice, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday to be exact. Okay? God bless you, more health, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to come. Again, happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Alice.
Happy birthday, Alice! Wadya ka ni. Amay-amay, handada. Ni, dandang mo amalang mo na favorite.
Nilat ka.
Long live! Kumusta kilagtan?
Hello Ate Alice, happy 50th birthday to you.
We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Ate, thank you for being one of our older sister here in Vancouver. And salamat ate sa lahat ng advice at guidance mo sa amin, lalo na sa buhay pagpapamilya.
Ate Alice, amis takila, nga pulay ka, maritisang ko edjed, Chappy Burke. Ate, bilibakad si kayo ta, pabalig yung maong iri anak iyo. Bilibakad panangaro yung kindi kuya haw. Si kayo so, mabuting example ng pagiging mabuting ina at sari anak. Thank you Ate Alice ta. Nabadtang kayo nanay nga mangitira advice si kami ng Vanessa. Walbalag salamat at sa advices yun, pampababalag ugaw lalo si Mateo at sa advices yun si kami. Ate Alice, ingat kayo lagi. We love you and
Happy birthday again!
yes, and thank you.
Thank you!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Alice. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday, Alice. Wishing you continued good health, happiness, many blessings, and all the best. Cheers to 50 wonderful years. Enjoy your golden years.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Alice. Stay young and hard and make time to play even if your age makes you think otherwise. Happy birthday. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday, Ate.
Tanor, happy birthday. Salamat Lord asabi mo lamat iya yang kanak mo at magsilsulaman mo hanggang man walay pinalabas mo ya sakit kaya niliknam at alabanan mo katon God is good always, so good health always, and may you have many more birthdays to come. Love you. Mwah.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Kumare! I'm not gonna say it's 50th birthday, but I'd rather to say happy $49.95 plus 5 cents tax. So to the most generous, the kindest person that I know, and I call her my ever-loving Kumare. I'm so grateful for your friendship, your fun times that you shared with us, with me, during our ski times, including Parihao. I'm just gonna say, if I can send some packages with my hug and kisses, I will send it right now. So I'm happy for you. You are now in your halfway of your century, but more grateful. Be wonderful of the first half. Getting older, Kumari, is very nice. I mean, you have more benefits. Ay lamay ibabatan. This is the most awaited time or awaited age. Tamiya may like discount yan awat tayo. Again, I'm so happy. I'm so blessed to have you as my friend and also my kumari. Happy and enjoy your 50th birthday. I love you. Nice to see you soon.
Happy 50 golden birthday, Ate. I wish you a lifetime happiness and many more birthdays to come. Always in a good health. God bless.
Happiest birthday, Ate Alice. Wishing you a year full of strength, happiness, confidence, and everything that you're dreaming of. Again, happy birthday. May your day be filled with love, good food, and laughter. Cheers!
Hello everyone! Hello sa aking sampapip, sa aking barkadan Malot. It's your birthday today. Ang wish ko sana ay lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, lahat ng wish mo, lahat ng dasal mo, kumunta rayat na gamuran mo because you deserve all the blessings dahil ikaw ay may napakabuting puso. Salamat sampapip ko, salamat sa aking barkadan Malot, sa aking partners in crime. Manlapod din sa amin yung gadnatan aga ang umauman, salamat at panangarom, salamat at tulong mo. I love you very much. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Insan Sampa Peps. Happy 50th birthday, Insan. Check it out. Tug-tug.
Pati yung si Sampapi pa. Dito.
Happy birthday, Insan!
Si Pawit.
Pawin! Sapatos!
Sapatos ko no, kanan din San Jason, no?
Happy birthday, Insan! More birthdays to come!
Happy Golden Jubilee, my dear cousin Alice. May God continue to bless you with abundant joy, peace, and good health. In behalf of my family, Lo Picholo and Paolo, I pray that He grant you with the desires of your heart, and as you reach this milestone, this new chapter of your life, may He guide your path with wisdom and surround you with His love. I wish you many more years of incredible journey and adventures with your family. Stay blessed and age gracefully, my dear cousin. We love you.
Alicia, happy birthday, Alicia. Wishing you a very happy and fabulous 50th birthday today. I hope you enjoy this new decade to the fullest. Many blessings for you and your family. Enjoy and God bless, Alicia. Bye-bye.
Kaya, Biskaya. Ginawa mo, Biskaya.
Di ba kabat si Kuya Hao?
O, naklaya, biro. Ano ni Mami?
Di ba kabat si Kuya Hao?
Dia,
Kalakap niya, kakutusin ka.
vodka.
Kabat.
Vodka. Eh? Happy Thanksgiving.
Kapag may Kuya Hao, siya naman.
Shit.
Siya naman.
Oh, madiske.
Eso. No alilintod niya.
Saya. Abay.
No alilintod
Yeah.
niya. No alilintod niya si Rizal. Si Rizal na may pinartudan. Pinartudan. Pinartudan.
Amin ng pilamang pula kayo ron.
Pinartudan. Martir. Martir yung bayani. Martir yung bayani. Pero alang-alang
Alang-alang ilang-ilang man. Alang-alang.
alang-alang bansa to.
Buka pala, Chibiri.
May gawad
Kasi ako lang bubukan sa alas eh.
gawad to inayaran to. Ang gaano ang tuloy na gawa, alang-alang labas.
Alang sa bansa.
Alang man.
Alang-alang sa bansa.
Bibig ka na ganun nyo naman.
Sige, may panunod na tayo.
Appreciate pa.
Hindi ka pero
At sa'yo ng pinapa na may Thanksgiving tayo.
Sabi na babili si tatay. At tawag ng tatay may litson turkey.
Oo. Simple dyan mo.
Ito ano ang jeepin siya, man litson turkey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mom. First, I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for all the sacrifices that you've made. Thank you for the patience, the love and support, everything. I wouldn't be where I am right now without your support. Honestly, if you didn't tell me to go do it, I wouldn't be where I am right now. But thank you for everything, Ma. I love you. Thank you for being my role model, my best friend, my mother. Thank you for everything. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. I hope that today that your birthday goes out well and that your party goes out the way you wanted it to, because I know how hard you worked on it every single day, and I know that it's gonna be very fun. Thank you for everything you do for me. Thank you for every sacrifice you made that I saw, especially the ones that I didn't. I am who I am today because of you, because you're my biggest superstar, my best friend, and my rock. You are definitely my pink pencil in a sea full of black and white pencils, and I have so much more to say, but I'm gonna keep this short. I love you so much, and I hope that you're reading this and know that I love you so much, and my biggest goal in life is to be the person you've always wanted me to be. The person that you've always known I could be.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mama.
We cannot believe you turned 50 today, even though you look 49.
And you're still doing laundry like a boss, Charles.
This is going to be a short message. You know what you mean to us. It's going to be difficult to express everything and word out everything we want to say to you. So, we love you, and we are expecting
lots of food.
That, not the other one. But we can't wait to celebrate today, your birthday with you today. And yeah, we'll see you very soon.
Now you're 50 and just like a fine wine that gets better with age. So please take care of your health, and we love you so much.
See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to the strongest person I know. Ang wish ko ay sana puro kasiyahan lang ang maramdaman nyo sa araw na to. And that maging healthy at mas malakas pa kayo sa taong ito. I hope you know how much we love you and we appreciate you for everything you do, Mama. Love you. Mwah!
Hey, Mom, I hope you have a great day, and I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Alice! God bless you!
Hello, Sissy Jolies. Happy 50th birthday to you. And my wish for you is have good health always. And may the Lord guide you and protect you always and with your family. And hope we celebrate more birthdays in your life. So enjoy this special day for you and take care of yourself. We love you, Sister Julius, and may God bless you always. Happy 50th birthday again. Love you. Mwah.
Wish you all the best and see you soon. Happy birthday, Tita Alice. See you soon. Take care always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Alice. See you soon.
Happy birthday, sister! Sana maging masaya ang karawan mo. Happy 50th birthday. Sana andyan kami pero di kami makapunta. Sorry. So, happy birthday na lang.
Happy birthday.
And wish you luck, good health, and God bless you always, sister. Be good always.
Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sister Jolis. Happy golden birthday to you. It's gonna be a fabulous birthday for you because it's 50, a golden. So, more blessings to come, happiness, good health as always, and enjoy your life being 50, you know? People say 40. Life begins at 40. 50 is a blessings, and another 10 years will be your two citizenship. What? So 50 plus 10, so you'll get another. What? You will get two citizenship already. After 10, it will be one is senior and one is Canadian citizenship. So you have two citizenship. Okay, all the best. And always remember that you're always in our heart, we're always in our mind. Every time we drink this Tim's Harden. This is one of your favorite. Okay? We love you and God bless always.
He is at work now.
Thank you for everything.
In city.
Love you. Love you, night.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Alice. We're so proud of you for reaching this milestone in life. We hope for many more achievements. Happy birthday, Tita Alice. I hope you have a great 50 years and great health throughout the rest of the years.
Happy golden birthday, sister. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy, good health, happy as always. And I want you to know you're the best sister that I could ever ask for. We love you so much.
Bye, bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alice. I wish you all the best. And sa I wish ko sika kumunta na nagamuran mo so pirawat na posong tad sarilin tan untan tumutad pamilya. Tan sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday ng buong may kapal. So, happy fabulous 50th birthday and God bless you always. Love you, sis.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Alice! More birthdays to come. Malabat.
And then, God bless you, come on.
God bless.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sister Alice!
Happy birthday, Linda Alice!
Happy birthday, Sister Alice! More birthdays to come! Wish you more blessings unto your family! Wish you all!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Liz. Happy birthday, dear sister. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Jolis. Enjoy and we wish you a blessed and happy and healthy always birthday ever. Enjoy lang, enjoy life to the fullest. My wish for you is your family and you, the whole family Alcantara, will go for a holiday, for a getaway, because you really deserve it.
Sana makamit mo yung tagumpay. Yun ang importante.
Yes, enjoy life.
Pamilya.
Yeah, ng
Kasi
pamilya.
ang puhunan mo noon, luha. Ngayon, happiness na. Okay?
Yes, go for that. We love you. Mwah.
We love you, Alex.
Happy birthday, Ate. You're now 50 and still fabulous. May this golden milestone remind you of all the love and laughter you have shared. I'm so grateful to have created a lot of memories and I can't wait for more. Sending you all my love and smiles on this special day. May your wishes on every single candle and may all 50 of them may come true. I love you.
Hi, Ate Alice. Happy 50th birthday. Sana yumaman ka na at tuloy-tuloy ang blessing na dumarating sa'yo. At love yourself and love your family also. And thank you for everything. Happy 50th birthday. Bye.
Me first, and after me, you, me, like, happy 50th birthday, Sisi Julius. And then it's your turn, okay?
Okay.
Hello everyone, and to you, Sister Julius, happy 50th birthday to you. Sana'y malakas palagi ang pangatawan at malayo sa sakit.
I love you.
Hey. I love you, Auntie.
Auntie Alice.
Hey. Pasensya na, hindi kami nakarating dyan. Medyo nag-busy sa work. Maintindihan mo rin yun. I wish
I love you, Auntie Alice.
all your wishes will be granted. What else?
Happy birthday.
I miss you all. Come on.
I miss you all in the whole wide world. What are you thinking about?
Okay. Again, happy 50th birthday. Don't worry. You're not old. You're just a vintage edition.
Wow.
Yeah. Sana
16.
masaya ka ngayong birthday mo kahit hindi kami nakarating. Masaya kami para sa iyo.
24.
I love you. I love you all. God bless.
Pages.
Teachers edition.
High butterfly. Paru-paru-chi, paru-paru-chi. Paru-paru-chi, paru-paru-chi. Paru-paru-chi, paru-paru-chi.
Alice, may kaanakan. Wishing you a happy 50th birthday. God bless you always and more birthdays to come. Take good care of yourself and good health always. Cheers. Enjoy your 50th birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Alice. Happy 50th birthday. Kumon lawas magsilsulaman yalanang tan wish ko ya aray keruyo Diyos siya katawang Easter to lasay kasil nalaman pagpipinabilay katong happy 50th birthday, Alice. More birthdays to come. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Alice. Kuno, happy birthday, Alice.
To my sister, I want you to know how lucky I am to call you my sister. You're not just family. You're one of the most important people in my life. You've been my built-in best friend, my biggest defender, my partner in chaos, and my voice of reason when I needed it most. We've shared secrets, laughter, tears, and dreams. You've seen me at my worst and loved me anyway. You've lifted me when I didn't know how to stand and reminded me of my worth when I couldn't see it for myself. You are strong, beautiful, and full of heart. You inspire me more than you know. And even when we argue or grow in different directions, I'll always come back to this truth. You are irreplaceable. I don't say it enough, but I love you. I'm proud of you. And I'm so incredibly lucky to walk through this life with a sister like you by my side.
Yay! Hi, Alice. Happy 50th birthday, my dearest, beautiful daughter, Alice.
Aww.
I wish you good health and happiness, especially to your family.
Aww.
Kumon, didan kay Diyos sa katawan, makasil niya naman, tando kay nabilay. May our Lord God shower you with all the graces and blessings. Again, happy 50th birthday. A golden with a happy heart. I love you.
Aww.
And ako, my very loving daughter, from me. And from your dearest tatay, Abdor. Bye. I can't wait to travel with you and your family. Bye-bye again. Love you.